how to add a source to your scene in OBS. So you notice right here on the left hand side that my preview for my current scene, scene 3, is empty because I don't have any sources in it. Okay, so what I'm going to want to do is of course add a source to this scene. So what I can do is right click from inside the sources window and select add, and I can select my source from here, or I can select the little plus icon and add a source from here. So what I want to do is display one of my monitors that I have. So what I'm going to go ahead and select on is display capture. Okay, then from there I can create a new name for it. So I'll just call it monitor capture. Okay, I'll go ahead and click on OK, and then it will go ahead and then give you a list of displays that you can choose from. So for myself, I have 3 different displays hooked up currently. So I'll go ahead and leave it on the one that is right now. If I wanted to switch it over to a different one, I could of course do that as well. So I could of course switch it back to this one and do that, but I'm going to leave it as display 1. Okay, select OK, and we'll notice that my source has now been added, and then the preview here I can go ahead and mess around with how I want that to be shown. So that's how you add a source in OBS.